Hey everyone! Ever feel like no matter how much you diet or exercise, your metabolism just won't budge? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with slow metabolism and weight gain, even when they're doing everything right. But what if I told you there's a way to boost your metabolism naturally and get those fat-burning engines roaring? Meet Mitolyn. This little powerhouse is designed to support your mitochondria, the tiny energy factories in your cells, and help you lose weight. So, what's inside Mitolyn that's making all the buzz? Let's break it down. First up, we've got maki berry, a super antioxidant that fights oxidative stress. Then there's rhodiola rosea, known for boosting energy and reducing fatigue. Add in hematococcus, packed with astaxanthin for anti-inflammatory benefits. Amla, rich in vitamin C to support fat metabolism. Theobroma cacao, which can enhance mood and energy. And lastly, Schisandra chinensis for overall wellness. These ingredients work together, powering up your mitochondria and turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Plus, it's all natural and non-GMO. Now let's talk benefits. With Mitolyn, you can expect to see real weight loss, increased energy, and a major boost in your metabolism. It helps suppress your appetite and even improves digestion. But don't just take my word for it. Check out Peggy, who lost 15 pounds and feels more energetic than ever. Or Russell, who's finally seeing the results he wanted after years of struggle. And Connie, who loves how Mitolyn fits into her daily routine without any jitters or crashes. Real people, real results. 23300. Ready to get started? Head over to the official Mitolyn website to learn more and grab your bottle today. And guess what? There are special discounts and bonuses like the 1-day Kickstart Detox and Renew You ebook waiting for you. Plus, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose, except maybe some stubborn pounds. Hurry, these offers won't last long. So if you're serious about boosting your metabolism and burning fat fast, Mitolyn might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and reviews. Catch you next time.